Welcome to the SICK Backup Assistance System, or BAS, Installation Guide, Field Configuration. At this stage, you should have your BAS installed on the lift truck and SOPIS Engineering Tool or SOPIS ET installed on your laptop. Connect a USB micro cable from your computer to the TIM351 sensor. SOPIS Engineering Tool will automatically launch and start searching for USB devices. Once it locates your TIM sensor, it will prompt to install device driver. Please click on the Install Device Driver button, then select Device Upload. Next, click OK to continue. Drivers will be downloaded from the device and installed onto the computer for use in SOPIS. Once you have installed the drivers, you will select the Offline button to change the sensor status to Online. Select Read Parameters from Device and click OK. Click the Login button and select User Level Service and the password Service Level, all lowercase without spaces, and click Login. Now click the three dots on the blue bar titled TIM351 Not Defined and select Open Device Window. Select the drop-down for Parameter, then double-click on Field. This will display the default field settings for the device. Next, under Field Selection, we will click the drop-down, scroll down, and select Field Set 9. This is the only field set that is used with the BAS. Next, we will display detection fields 1, 2, and 3, as well as the controls to edit the fields, including tooltips when you hover over each button. The controls are Add a new field point, Edit field points, Delete field points, Zoom in, Zoom out, Zoom auto, and Zoom original. Select the Edit Field Points button. The green points may be selected individually by selecting each point with your cursor, or by using the mouse or computer trackpad, holding your right-click button and dragging a box over more than one point to move them as a unit. Since field set 3 is not used at this time in BAS, the field points will be moved close to the sensor to prevent this field from interfering with configuration of fields 1 and 2. Once complete, unselect the Edit Field Points and then click Yes to save your progress into temporary memory before moving to the next field. Select Field Set 2 from the drop-down and click the Edit Field Points button. Field Set 2 is the warning field to alert the operator there is an object in the detection field and to utilize caution. TIM351 should be adjusted so the floor is visible in the field view and the field point set to a small distance above the floor to prevent false or nuisance trigger alerts due to inconsistencies in the floor surface. Once field points are set, unselect the Edit Field Points to save our progress before moving to the next field. Select Field 1 from the Detection Field drop-down and click the Edit Field button. Field set 1 is the stop field, alerting the operator that there is an imminent collision threat due to an object in the vehicle path. This field will be configured inside field set 2 at a position to allow the vehicle sufficient time to stop prior to the collision. Once you have your boundary set for field set 1, unselect the Edit Field button and select Yes to save your progress. Next, to save your configuration permanently to the sensor, select the icon with the red down arrow to write parameters to the device. Next, select the button with the icon resembling a computer chip titled Save Permanently, and select Finish to save the configuration to the device and prevent deletion of the configuration due to power loss. To save your configuration file for backup purposes should the TIM351 sensor need to be replaced, or you have identical trucks with identical mounting positions of the sensor, you will click on the Device tab on the menu bar, select Export SDV file. From there, you will select the button with 3 dots to browse and select the folder to save the backup configuration files. Create a file name describing this vehicle installation, click Save, and click Next. And then click Finish to complete the process. To use this configuration file to configure another sensor, the saved SDV file can be imported to the new TIM351 sensor. In SOPIS ET, select the Device tab on the top left of the toolbar and select Import SDV file. Browse to the location of the saved configuration file. You will select the SDV file for this vehicle or vehicle type. Select Open. Select Next. Select Current User Level. Once the progress window has completed and all items have a green check mark, click the Finish button. Next, you will click the Write All Parameters to Device button, and then click Save Permanently and click Finish. At this stage, it is recommended to have the operator use the vehicle and fine-tune the detection fields to match the use case and prevent nuisance alarms in the future. This completes the field configuration portion of commissioning the BAS.